Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today, it is a Hilka 10-piece Stubby Spanner Set. So the first side starts with, let me quickly get this open, I'm going to be stubborn, so pop that off there. This side starts with all the even numbers, so we go 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18, and then if we flip it over, this side has all the odd numbers, so 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Let me just grab one of these out and I'll give you a bit of a closer look at it. So there might be a bit of a reflection on here from the lights, but this is the 17. Again, nice 12-point spanner. Good nice end. Let me just grab a 17mm bolt, bear with me 2 seconds. There we are. Yeah, as you can see, 17mm fits on there nicely. With the 12 point, it gives you a bit more grip and a bit more torque conversion. And just really nice for let me see if I can tighten that up. Probably not because I've only got my hand free. But yeah, nice, good, solid spanners. Let me quickly get that out of the way. And yeah. So yeah, we have a wide variety of size. I like the fact it goes straight through, there's no skips. And yeah, so let's have a quick more detail in it. So I'll go back to the 19 because it's the biggest one. Maybe 17 because that's one I was already using. So yeah, put that out of the way for a second. And let me just refocus this down and then have a bit of a look. There we are. If you want to stay still, camera, that would be great. So yeah, again, stubby, nice short size. If you bear with me, I will quickly go grab a tape measure and I'll tell you just how long these are. So now I have a tape measure. I'll just measure the shortest and the longest for you. So starting with the 10mm, which is around about 9 centimeters long, or just 3.5 inches. And then for the long one, which is the 19, it's the biggest, we're about 5.5 inches, or 14 centimeters. So quite compact little size. Really handy little screwdrivers. What am I talking about? Spanners, sorry. God, I've lost my brain today. So things I like about this set of stubby spanners. I like the quality and the weight of these spanners. I like the offset on them. It's quite a nice little offset. I'm not quite sure how much it is, but it's a nice little offset to have. Like I said, they feel quality. It is chrome vanadium. I don't know if you can see that just in here. I'll try and give you a bit of a close up, but the light's not helping. Let me quickly turn that off. Hopefully that's all recorded, but yeah, as you can see, chrome vanadium, 19mm. And lovely finish to them. Got a great fit and finish. And yeah, my final thoughts on these lovely little tools, or spanners should I say. They're a really useful little set. I like the carry case. I like how it's got these firm clips so nothing can fall out. Useful when you're popping your toolbox, especially when you're doing mobile work. Handy little sizes, useful for getting into those little tight spots. Sometimes you can't get a full length spanner in and you just need to reach up there and just, no, let me quickly adjust that, reach up there and just quickly just loosen a fastener. And yeah, overall great little spanners. They are really comfortable and easy to use. Because I mean, I've got quite big hands, as you know. And yeah, I can get a full proper grip on that. So if I'm wrenching on something, quite handy. And that's probably about it really. So once again, my final thoughts, great little tools. There'll be a link in the description if you want to pick up a set for yourself. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.